What do you think AI is missing today?
Sensitive and feeling things for humans.
If you could give one piece of advice to AI, what would it be?
Knowing about the human feelings.
If you had 300 years to live, what would you stop worrying about?
I don't know, because I cannot get a plan for my next week.
Hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Habiba. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Iran, and I immigrated by myself to study here in UAE.
So you're studying?
Yeah.
Habib, can you share a moment where someone deeply impacted your life?
As a newcomer, I once got lost when I was come back from, I think, heavy training, because I'm a volleyball player and I have a lot of heavy and tough football practicing in my gym. And, he just helped me to find my way, and he didn't get me away until I find my way, and it's still safe. And as a newcomer, it's not a big happens or a big moment, but for me, I think there's a special moment to someone help me, and that's I think
Taking you through the process.
yeah, exactly. And because of this, I think I can say I have a better feeling about this country and my situation to grow here.
What was the kindest thing a stranger has ever done for you?
I lost my wallets before my exam. I have nothing. In fact, without anything, even one coin. And I found a local guy. There's, I think, kindest Arab guy that I can find it on that situation. And I told him about the situation, and he just acts, without any thinking, without any talking. And he just asked me what you want, what you need right now. Don't worry. And yeah, I think it's a strange things that a stranger could do for me. Yeah.
What do you think AI is missing today?
I think AI prefer the economy and the mechanical things to sensitive and the feeling things for humans. I think AI have to be sensitive, and biggest problem of AI is it would rather to use the mechanical things to sensitive things for knowing about the humans and humanity. And in fact, it's a normal thing about the AI, because it's not a human with feelings, it's a machine.
If you could give one piece of advice to AI, what would it be?
I think it's worth here to work on sensitivity, knowing about the human feelings.
Emotion.
Yeah, and emotion, yeah.
If you had 300 years to live, what would you stop worrying about?
I never thinking about it, and for 200 years. I don't know, because, I cannot get a plan for my next week, even for
300 years a big time.
Because I'm a young man, I'm a teenager, and it's the first of my journey, and I have a lot of things to do, and it's first of my life. I think it's normal too. I don't know what should I have to do for my next 300 years.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us today, Habib.
Thank you too.
Have a good day.
Nice day.